Today I'm going to walk you through how to do the lace section of my Seraphina Tunic pattern. I don't have it seamed yet because I'm recording this video as I'm making it myself. So once you have the pattern, it will be seamed. But we're going to work on this lace panel today, and the instructions can be a little bit confusing. So I'm going to show you step by step the 8 rows of this lace, so that you won't have any trouble with it. So when you begin this panel, you're going to cast on 12 stitches, and at the end of the repeat you'll also have 12 stitches, which is what I'm starting with now. So on row 1, which is the right side row, you're going to knit 1, knit 2 together, yarn over twice, which is like a double yarn over, slip 1, knit 1, pass the slip stitch over, which is SKPO, and then yarn over, knit 1, yarn over, and then you're going to knit 1, purl 1, knit 1 into the next stitch, making extra stitches in there. Then you're going to yarn over, knit 1 twice, yarn over, knit 1, and then you're going to yarn over twice, which is like the double yarn over again, knit 2 together, and knit 1. And after row 1, you should have 19 stitches on your needle now. And turn it around. We're going to work row 2, which is the wrong side row. You're going to knit 3, purl 1, knit 1, purl 9, knit 2, purl 1, knit 2. And you can probably see how I was doing it, but I guess I should mention that the purl stitches, some of them are going to be worked into that extra yarn over that you made in the double yarn overs on the right side rows. So you just want to make sure, and I can show you on the next wrong side row how to catch those. And after that row, you'll have the same amount of stitches. On row 3, you're going to knit 1, knit 2 together, yarn over twice, slip 1, knit 1, pass a slip stitch over, yarn over, knit 3, and you're going to do that 3 times, yarn over, knit 3, yarn over, knit 3, and then yarn over, and then you're going to knit 1, yarn over twice, 2 times, knit 1, yarn over twice, and then you're going to knit 2 together and knit the last stitch. And you should have 26 stitches on your needles after that row. Next is row 4. You're going to knit 3, and then here you can see this is the double yarn over. You don't want that to fall off the needle. That's the second part of the yarn over. So you pull the yarn forward and you purl 1, knit 2, same thing here, and then purl 1, knit 1, purl 5, and then you're going to purl 3 together, and then purl 5, and then knit 2, and then purl 1, it's that same double yarn over, and then knit 2. And that's row 4, and you'll have 24 stitches after that row. Row 5, going to knit 1, knit 2 together, yarn over twice, slip 1, knit 1, pass a slip stitch over, yarn over again, slip 1, knit 1, pass a slip stitch over, knit 1, knit 2 together, yarn over, knit 1, and then you're going to repeat that section in the parentheses again. So yarn over, slip 1, knit 1, pass a slip stitch over, knit 1, knit 2 together, yarn over, knit 1, and then you're going to yarn over twice and knit 2 together, and you're going to do that 3 times. Yarn over twice, knit 2 together, yarn over twice, knit 2 together, and then knit 1. And after row 5 you should have 27 stitches on your needles. In row 6 we're going to knit 3, purl 1, knit 2, you're going to do that twice, purl 1, knit 2, and then purl 1, knit 1, and then you're going to purl 2 together, purl 1 3 times. Purl 2 together, purl 1, purl 2 together, purl 1, purl 2 together, purl 1. And then you're going to purl 2 together, knit 2, purl 1, and knit 2. And at the end of this row you should have 23 stitches on your needles. Row 7, you're going to knit 1, knit 2 together, yarn over twice, slip 1, knit 1, pass a slip stitch over. Sorry, I lost my place. Yarn over, and then you're going to work a SK2PO, which is slip 1, knit 2 together, pass a slip stitch over, so it's a double decrease leaning to the left, and then you're going to knit 1, and then you're going to work the mirror of that, which is called an SSK2PO, and for that you're going to slip 2 stitches one at a time, knitwise to your right hand needle, and then you're going to insert the left hand needle into the front of these stitches, and you're going to knit them together, and then you're going to slip this stitch back onto the left hand needle and pull the stitch on the left over that needle, over that stitch, and then back to the right, and you'll see it's a double decrease to the right, so it mirrors the one on the other side. And then you're going to knit 11. And after row 7 you should have 20 stitches on your needles. And flip it over. In the last row you're going to bind off the first 6 stitches, but you're going to slip the first stitch and then bind off 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then you're going to knit 4, and you're not counting this stitch over here as 1, so you'll knit 4 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then you're going to purl 3 together. Then you're going to knit 3, purl 1, and knit 2. And after this last 8th row, you're back to 12 stitches, which will set you right up to begin row 1 again. So that whole 8 rows there will give you one of these repeats of the lace. And you're going to just work those 8 rows over and over and over again until you get to the indicated length in the pattern. And after that, you'll be seaming it to the bottom of the willow sweater. So if you have any other questions, feel free to leave a message below. And if there's any other videos for other patterns or techniques that you would like shown, feel free to leave a message or send me an email. Thanks. Bye.